Okay, in SRS WR and SSW over probability of drawing a unit. Okay, in SSWR and SSWR, the probability of drawing a unit is 1 by n. Okay, so in both the sampling, the probability of drawing a unit, okay, unit at any draw, any stage is 1 by n. Okay, as next is variance of mean, variance of sample mean, sample, that is variance of y bar. Okay, so variance of y bar in SRS W over is n minus 1 by n squared by n. Okay, so this one is 1 by n minus 1. Okay, 1 by n minus 1 summation of xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, so n is population size and small n is sample size. Okay, so variance of sample mean based on simple random sampling without replacement is n minus 1 by n s squared by n, small n. Okay, similarly variance of y bar in simple random sampling with replacement. Okay, with replacement is n minus 1 by n s squared by n. Okay, or sigma squared by n. Okay, so the sigma squared is 1 by n summation of xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, see, sigma squared is 1 by n summation of xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, but s squared is 1 by n minus 1 summation of xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, so this one, so variance of y bar, okay, SRS WR will be greater than variance of y bar SRS WR. Okay, because here is equal to n minus plus n plus n. Okay, is equal to okay, that is SRS WR plus positive quantity plus SRS so positive quantity, some positive quantity. Okay, okay, so here we want to okay, that is a variance of simple random sampling with replacement will be greater than variance of simple random sampling without replacement. Okay, so that is SRS WR will be more efficient, is more efficient than okay, more efficient than SRS WR. Okay, SRS WR simple random sampling without replacement is more efficient than simple random sampling with replacement. Okay, so this is variance in standard error of y bar in SRS WR is root of n minus 1 by n s by root n. Okay, that is root of variance of y bar is standard error of y bar.